Oh my god, look at this. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a video unboxing the new seasonal FabFitFun box. So if you guys want to see what is in here, I know you guys love unboxings. I love FabFitFun. I always get so many questions on where I get certain items I'm wearing. And I'm always like, FabFitFun. I love FabFitFun. I use the products. I love them. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. Look at how beautiful this box is this season. It is absolutely gorgeous. A floral hello! I'm so excited about this. So as I'm getting this open, I'm going to tell you guys, if you're like, what is FabFitFun? We have no idea what it is, girl. They are a seasonal subscription box filled with full-size beauty, lifestyle, fitness, and fashion products. Full size. They're not being like those little tiny little things that you're like, what? I can't even read that, first of all. What in the... Oh my god. My nails go flying. Couple reasons also why I like them, other than the full size, is that you can discover new brands. There's so many brands that I'm like, I love stickers. Oh my god, stickers. You can customize your box. So if you're like, oh, I will never use that, I'll never use that. That's why I've personally canceled a lot of subscription boxes, because I'm like, I'll never use that. Like, it's cute and fun, but like, I'm not gonna use that. You can customize your own. They reduced their carbon footprint, so they use 100% recycled boxes. Cute, look at these. Look at these. Oh my god, so if you were like to do a journal page, for instance, on like your FabFitFun box, take a picture of it, picture of each product, print them out, put them in your journal, and then put FabFitFun over them in like a FabFitFun journal page. That would look so cute. And you get so many products. It's like jam-packed with products that you can keep things for yourself, or you can give things for gifts for Mother's Day, Christmas, birthdays and stuff, and keep things for yourself. So I really, really enjoy that. Let's take a look. Ah, these things are so cute already. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They just make this so fun every single season. It just puts you in the vibe and gives you some products to like jumpstart your season, in my opinion. They're available in Canada, US, and the UK. So let's get started, guys. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is adorable. This is a beautiful ring, a gorgeous ring from Joy Dravecki. And if you can see that there, it is and this is what I was worried about. I don't even have to be worried, because I'm like, I have such small fingers. I don't think this is gonna fit me. It is open clasp there, so you can adjust it, yes, to any size. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. Fits me. I have an issue because I have such small hands. You guys can see that there. It is so pretty. I love fashion jewelry because you don't have to worry about like losing it. And if you do lose it, it's not that big of a deal. And this one is just stunning. It makes like, when you take like nail pictures, it makes your nails look so much better. And I love that you can adjust it. So right off the bat, fashion item is check right off the list there. The next thing in the box is this hair scarf set. I was so intrigued, and I don't have anything like this, so I definitely wanted to give it a whirl. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. These just look so cute. Here's the brand name for the scarf set, and there are 2 scarves in here. I'm just gonna open them up here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to style these. So they just look like this. I'm very bad at hair and stuff, but you can do so many different things with these. You could like fold them up and do, you know, like a little headband moment, how I'm doing today, and like this, and like pin it back. It would look so cute. Or you could put your hair back and then put this around and make it into like a cute little bow in the back. I think that would look so cute. So there's this one here that is a beautiful pink print with like scribble roses on there. I think that's gorgeous. And then there's just this one. This would be perfect for like going to a wedding. I feel like this like camel kind of off-white kind of color, this like soft nude. And I like that there's like a little carrying case with it. What the hey? What the hey? That is so cute. And then just like, and you can reuse this bag for like traveling and stuff. I've been loving like trying different things with my hair lately, like wigs, and adding different things that I normally wouldn't. Also, I love this ring. This ring is like gorgeous, and it fits perfectly on my hand. I love it. I just feel like when I'm up and like doing my hair, I don't know what to do, and like having different things like this, especially that I normally wouldn't wear, it kind of just makes me excited to do my hair, like, and get up in the morning and like put makeup on. And you guys know I have anxiety, and when I like get up and get ready and do my makeup and like do my hair and like take pictures of it, when I feel like me, like with the bows in my hair and like Fruit Loop shirts and like scarf, things like this, it just puts me in a way better place emotionally, honestly. So things like this are good to have just laying around and being like, hey girl, pick me up, put me in your hair. And if you guys wish to use my coupon code to save you guys money, it is PINK10 and you can get $10 off of your very first box. Who doesn't like saving money? And these boxes are jam-packed full of full-size products. So if you guys want to have a little money off, PINK10, save yourself some coin, girl. Saving yourself money and getting really cute stuff and making yourself happy with maybe some cute products and maybe give them to your mom or your brother or your cousin. Okay, next we have a bath gel. Islands of Italy. Ooh. Peach champagne fragrance in Capri. I want to smell this. I mean, I've never been to Italy, so I can't say that, oh, this smells like Italy. But I always love bath gel. Oh. Stop. I feel like every bath gel in every subscription box, except Fabfitfun, which is the weirdest thing, always smells the same. It's always that, like, you know, like perfumey, like kind of like cheap smell, like hotel bathroom things. This one smells, oh my god, this smells like peach. It says peach champagne, literally, but like more luxurious. How to use: lather over entire body and rinse. Yum. I feel like this is like a classy packaging that you would find like in like a rich lawyer's bathroom or something, just sitting there, and I'm like, me too. And the size of this, like, can we look at the size of this compared to, like, let's say like a little sample size would probably be something like this. Look, you definitely get the value of your money in this. And like something like the ring, when I take pictures of this, the hair scarves, I'm gonna get asked by you, where did you get that? And the answer is Fabfitfun. I always tell people, like, this subscription box is worth it. It literally is. I'm not telling you to buy it, but I'm just saying, like, for me, it has different things. It's not just lifestyle. I could never have like a makeup subscription box, honestly. I'd get so bored. This is Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. What is this? Purely natural, ethical, C-active. It's vegan, plant-based, no GMOs, cruelty-free. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. This is what I need after winter. I need something to like brighten up my face. Pretty. Oh my god, I love, oh my god, these like look so cute together. Oh my god, this looks so nice, like sitting on my bathroom. Oh, it's spirulina and blue tansy. I love things like this. I'm so bad with knowing like skincare, knowing like what to do. I'm going to use this right away, I think, like tonight after I'm done taking off my makeup. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it low-key smells like tequila. Which is not necessarily a bad thing. So it's like, it doesn't seem like too oily. It seems like really, really refreshing on your skin. I cannot wait to wear this. I feel like it's really gonna brighten. Okay, I am going to share with you guys this. I am so excited to use this, but kind of nervous just because I've never had anything like this. But that's why I want to like branch out of my comfort zone. That's why I love Fabfitfun, because like a bunch of these are like kind of like my safe zone, like skincare and like hair stuff, body gel. But this, I'm like, let's just go off a limb here and like try something new. This is an LED indoor planter. Okay, and this is by Short Stories. They give you this with it, and this is basil or basil. My dad always says basil. I say basil. I don't know what you guys say. This is Italian large leaf. I can literally grow basil. If I grow basil, I'm gonna be so excited. My dad's gonna be so proud of me. My dad has a green thumb. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I do not know how to do this, but I'm going to read it, potentially grow some basil. I don't know how long. How long does it take to grow the basil? Oh, 80 to 90 days to maturity. I'm gonna do this. Wish me luck. Oh, I'm nervous.
And this is gonna go through here, like that.
Oh. Oh. I did it.
Okay, and then this plugs in, and then you just screw it in.
My dad gave us all this soil to do this. What do you do? A spoon?
Maybe a spoon, yeah.
You literally just put the soil in like that. But you literally do that?
Yep.
Oh. If you guys have any suggestions in the comments of what we're doing wrong or what you would suggest, please suggest them. This is our first time. Oh, it smells like dirt. That's probably it?
Yeah, keep going.
I think right here. Oh!
There we go.
Oh, that's so pretty right there.
And now we're growing basil.
Oh my gosh!
We're farmers.
Extremely good quality. Look at this. This is something unlike I would ever find in a subscription box. And it's so like classy looking too. Like keeping it on your kitchen and like growing basil and like putting it into your pasta sauces and stuff like that. And sprinkling on top of like your spaghetti. Oh my god, girl. And if you guys want to know anything more about FabFitFun and anything else, all of the information is going to be in the description box right at the top down below there, so you guys can click it and start your subscription or read more about it and just see their journey and everything and their passion and what goes into the boxes. So link is down below. It's literally like Christmas every time I open these. Okay, this is what's very, very exciting. I got two MAC lipsticks. They're both Powder Kiss lipsticks, and one's in work and one's in reverence. Two of them. So let's check out work first. Open it up. Oh, the packaging is so smooth. So this one, oh, I am not a huge fan of red lips, but I do them very occasionally. Rarely. Occasionally? I don't know how to speak. So this one looks like that. And here is me trying it on for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy that. The next one here in reverence. Reverence, that sounds like an intriguing name, like a dark purple or something like that. Oh my god. Oh! This nude, okay, this one definitely is in my wheelhouse. Looks like this is like your perfect pinky nude. And then here's me trying this one on. So this is amazing. Two MAC lipsticks. I love MAC lipsticks. Oh, you literally can't go wrong with MAC lipsticks. And the fact that you get two, and we're still not done. Here we got some Say Hello beauty rounds. Oh my god, we always need these. Let me open this up. Oh my god, I was looking to buy one of these recently. Oh my god, these are so handy to just have in your makeup collection. These like for baking or just like powdering anywhere. I don't want to touch them too much because I don't want to get my oils in my hands dirty in them. And also like the color of that lilac, so beautiful, gorgeous. People, we always need these in our makeup collection. We don't normally think that we need them until like we need them. And by then it's too late, my girl. The very last thing in this particular box is this that I was so intrigued to get and like the most excited to get. So this is Tropical Trio 3 spools of cocoa floss. First of all, the packaging got to me. I was so intrigued. I was like, what is this? Why? And then when you open it up, okay, it smells like a tropical paradise, literally. So these are flosses. These, oh my god, I love these so much. So they're basically just floss, but these are infused with coconut oil, which is a natural antimicrobial. And then it has a fresh scent of fruit oils. It soothes your gum and calms your mind. Even better, its unique loofah-like weave captures stinky debris and yellow cavity-causing plaque, leaving your pearly whites blissfully bright. I cannot wait to try this. The packaging is so adorable. You know what, after you have your teeth cleaned, and you're like, I'm gonna floss like every single day and like twice a day. That's why I'm like hyped for this. I'm gonna be keeping these guys nice and flossed up. Pure strawberry, which looks like this. Cara orange, I think that's the one I'm smelling. Maybe, oh no, it's this one. Which one is this one? I don't know which one is in this one currently, but it smells so good. It smells like pineapple. This is what it looks like. A different floss that's so unique. I am so excited to try these. So this was one of the best FabFitFun unboxings I've done. There was so many different wide range of variety of products that I got this time. I'm so excited for spring to start planting things, to wearing cute lipstick, smelling like a peach Italy bath. All of the information and links are in the description box down below. And thank you again so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and let's bring in spring with smiles on our face and try to get our skin back on track after this dreadful winter. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.